Spiritualism is a philosophical and religious movement that emphasizes the existence and importance of a spiritual realm or dimension, beyond the physical world. It often involves a belief in 1. The immortality of the soul. 2. The possibility of communication with spirits of the deceased. 3. The existence of a spiritual hierarchy or divine beings. 4. The concept of reincarnation or spiritual evolution. 5. The idea that spiritual growth and self-realization are essential for human fulfillment. Spiritualism can encompass various practices, such as 1. Mediumship, communicating with spirits. 2. Channeling, receiving messages from spirits. 3. Meditation and contemplation. 4. Energy healing and spiritual healing. 5. Study of spiritual texts and scriptures. Spiritualism is not necessarily tied to a specific religion or doctrine, but rather emphasizes individual spiritual experiences and growth. It often encourages exploration of the mysteries of life, death, and the nature of consciousness. Some key principles of spiritualism include 1. The oneness of all existence. 2. The interconnectedness of all beings. 3. The idea that love and compassion are essential for spiritual growth. 4. The belief in a higher power or divine intelligence. 5. The importance of personal responsibility in service. Spiritualism has influenced various movements, such as Theosophy, New Thought, and some forms of esotericism. It continues to inspire individuals seeking a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. Here are some images that represent spiritualism's emphasis on the existence of a spiritual realm. 1. An image of a person meditating, surrounded by a glowing aura or light, symbolizing connection to a higher realm. 2. A depiction of a spiritual hierarchy, such as angels, guides, or ascended masters, watching over or communicating with individuals. 3. An illustration of a person's soul or spirit leaving their physical body, representing the idea of an afterlife or spiritual journey. 4. A picture of a mystical or magical landscape, such as a fantasy world, representing the spiritual realm. 5. An image of a person receiving divine inspiration or guidance, symbolized by a light bulb moment or a beam of light. 6. A representation of the universe, with spiritual energies or forces at work, such as chi, prana, or auras. 7. An image of a spiritual symbol, such as the Om, Ankh, or cross, glowing or radiating energy. 8. A depiction of a person's higher self or spiritual essence, often represented by a glowing light or a wise, compassionate figure. These images aim to visualize the spiritual realm and the connections between the material and spiritual worlds, which is a central aspect of spiritualism.